Most people think GIS and CAD are in many ways different, like oil and water. But is this true? Computer-aided drafting and geographic information systems do have many things in common. Till recently, CAD people saw their work as engineering-based and accurate, and GIS as neither precise nor accurate. Most large organizations use combination of GIS and CAD applications so they can manage their data, also to move data smoothly between the two different environments. Let's explore some important functionalities. CAD users care about productive editing tools, dimensions, visual clarity, as in labels, while GIS users care about location, data structure, attribution, connectivity, and analysis. If you are familiar with CAD and GIS, you obviously know how important it is to bridge the gap between engineering design and geography. Having these two worlds collide gets you more value from your data with geospatial analysis without losing the possibility to use a solid set of tools like buffer, clip, snap, intersect, or merge. So why do we translate from CAD to GIS and vice versa? And how do we do that? Translating or converting CAD to GIS means enhancing CAD drawings with spatial information and attributes. This means you will know where objects from the drawing indeed are located, as well as all their relevant details that describe them. One great example is converting line features from CAD drawings to polygons. With doing so, converting line work from a design file into GIS polygon, every polygon contains information from the CAD point. And with database join, you can add other attribute information. If all this sounds so easy and simple, why is translating CAD to GIS so messy? What do you think?